realities of playing the violin. There is no secret and there are no shortcuts to getting better and being the best version of yourself, especially as a violinist or even as a musician in general. You really need to give it time. Kailangan mo mag-practice and really work mindfully, no, yung tawag natin, and deliberately sa pagpa-practice. So hindi ka magtututo or hindi ka gagaling kung lesson ka man ng lesson, no, kahit magbayad ka ng sobrang mahal pero hindi ka naman nagpa-practice sa bahay or nagpa-practice mag-isa, hindi ka gagaling. So lahat ng skills, everything that your teacher will teach you requires some form of digestion, no. Kailangan ma-digest mo muna siya and keep those knowledge and skills that your teacher teaches you para magawa mo siya on your own, diba? So yung pagpa-practice is not a gimmick, no. Talagang kailangan mo magsipag, but not all practices are made equally, diba? Hindi lahat ng practice tama. So you should also be mindful and deliberate sa pagpa-practice. Hindi pwedeng may favorite song ka, yun lang yung pinapractice mo, other things kinakalimutan mo na, yung mga madadali lang yung ginagawa mo, yung mahihirap hindi mo pinapractice. So it won't get you anywhere. Kailangan hindi lang mahabang oras ng practice, but also mindful and deliberate practice, meaning you're doing your things in a way na mag-i-improve ka. Hindi yung alam mo na yung ginagawa mo or pasada lang ng pasada, bahala na, no? Kasi kung ano yung pinapractice mo, yun din yung lalabas sa lessons. And then your lessons will only work on things that you are giving, diba? Kung ano yung binigay mo, yun lang din yung ibabalik sa'yo ng teacher mo. So kung hindi ka nagpo-practice, paulit-ulit lang yung i-correct sa'yo ng teacher mo. So kailangan pag nag-practice ka, you improve, no? You might not see that improvement, or those improvements might not be drastic, but there will always be some sort of improvement na mangyayari. Pero pakonti-konti man yun, in the long run, it will all add up. And magugulat ka na lang, maybe in, let's say, 2 or 3 months kang nagpa-practice and consistent lessons, ibang-iba na yung magiging sound. So it depends on the person, depends on your pace, but practice is the secret, no? Mindful and deliberate practice. Yeah. So follow for more and see you on the next one.